how to add iDeal payments in your Shopify store. It's very simple and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing we want to do is go to the bottom left corner here where it says settings, right next to the gear icon. You just click on that, and from here we want to choose payments, and down here where it says supported payment methods, we choose add payment method. Now you just type in iDeal, and there it is. Just click on it, and now it will show you all the different formats it supports. You can just choose something like the first one here, just click on it, and then you just click on install, and it should add it to your Shopify store. And that's how you add iDeal payments to your Shopify store. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.